My name is Frazer, and I'm the Vice President of Customer Service at Sunbasket. Here at Sunbasket, we deliver chef-inspired, delicious and healthy, ready-to-eat or ready-to-make meals directly to people's homes. I wanted to bring somebody from the outside who could bring in a third-party perspective and allow our entire team to bring their thoughts together as to what was going to be most impactful for delivering an amazing customer experience for our Sunbasket customers in 2020 and beyond. One of the things I've been super impressed with Officium is Jerry and Scott's capability to bring together some of the best and brightest thought leaders in CX today. We used Officium Labs to help us to really set our structure last year. They came in and created this amazing, fun CX audit to understand the capabilities that we existingly had as a CX organization and give us a roadmap to help us to create the right strategies to move forward in delivering an amazing experience for our customers. One of the things that I really appreciate about Officium's approach is their holistic thinking of what it takes in order to create and deliver amazing customer experiences. Not just looking at technology, not just looking at broad company strategy or finances, but really also ensuring that they're thinking about the human element, both from a company and a customer perspective. Through their fun and engaging workshop, we're able to not only develop great strategies for our customers and our organization, but we're also able to better learn about each other and create stronger bonds and relationships within our team. One of the things about Officium is they truly understand that great customer experiences start with amazing employee experiences. We conducted our audit in early January, and as you can imagine, things changed dramatically for us and our business. But having that clear roadmap and that aspect of what were the most important things to focus on allowed us to keep that direction, keep that focus on what were the key things that were going to drive, even as we had to pivot to the changes in our business strategy overall. As we concluded the workshop, our team really felt that they had ownership of the plan and the execution and the task ahead of us in 2020. Rather than being told from top down what needed to happen, they were able to build up from their input, their thoughts, their ideas, and their prioritization of what was the most important thing that we should contribute and accomplish for the year. As a customer experience leader, I would highly recommend engaging Officium to assist you in developing your strategic approach for 2021 or beyond. The engagement that they bring into their audit and workshop will help you unlock the ideas, the insight, and the potential that exists within your organization.